Hi everyone, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Well, today I bring you a full unboxing of the Maisto 118 scale Mercedes-Benz S-Class. So, I found this model on eBay for just around $35, I believe, and it's going to be the first time I'm ever going to unbox it. I just got it a little while back, and let's see what we have here. So in the listing, it showed that the shipping straps were removed, but it did have the catalog. So these Mercedes-Benz came with catalogs, and I really hope that this one does include it. It did show it in the picture, so I hope they kept true to what it said in the pictures. So yeah, we'll see what we have. Overall conditions seem to be pretty good. But, you know, it's always different. They're pictures, so you never can really tell. Let's see if we get this open. Okay. Okay, we need to cut a little more. But I think that'll do it. There we go. So I've been looking for this model for maybe 3 or 4 or 5 months now, and you know, these are a little more expensive. And I got the silver version, which I think it looks very good. So yeah. So I really hope to have a catalog. That was a big selling point for me. I've always loved this S-Class, but also, you know, the catalog is a thing that I have, because I have the Yatming Road Legends catalog, but do not have a Maisto one, so it seems pretty well packed. And there's the box right there. With some bags, kind of interesting. There it is. Take all these plastic stuff and bags out. There it is. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Okay, so first impressions. Box definitely is in pretty good condition. It definitely would need a good cleaning. It definitely. Ooh, that's just wonderful. Going on the treasure hunt to find all the paper bags. Okay. Let's put that in there so they do not blow away. Friendly reminder not to litter. There we go. So back to what I was saying. Yeah, it just definitely needs a good cleaning. There is some blemishes here and there like that. And there was a little tear right here, which I knew about. So, yeah. So, this was, I believe, made in the early 90s, from 1999 or 1998. Yeah, so I would just say we'll do a... Next video, I'll do a... I'll clean the box up and fix the plastic, because it is a little down, which is common on these Maisto boxes. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at it and see if it has the catalog. That's gonna be something that I really hope for. There we go. Now there's your copyright date right there. MTC 09 1998. So this was made in 1998, which is kind of a cool thing. Made when the car first came out. Put the camera down real quick. Just because the plastic's down, and it's kind of always hard to get these cars out without messing up the plastic. Easier than I thought. Okay, yay. Okay, so we do have the catalog. That's very exciting. It's right there in the back, so we'll have to take a look at it. The doors are open. It's kind of weird. Okay, so this looks really good. A lot of these I've seen have a lot of orange peel or rash, and this one looks perfect. Really, the paint is in amazing condition. So yeah, that's really good. Oh, that's gonna be, yeah. So my next video will be a review on this, and I'll give you a little quick look at this catalog. This is really neat. Little Maisto mini catalog. Shows you all the cars that were made. Really, really neat. Oh, geez. How big is this? Oh, holy cow, that's way bigger than I thought it was. Huh. That's interesting. So, I'll show this off in the video that I do of the review of this. So you'll see more about this in my next video. That's really neat. I'm really glad I got this. Yeah, so... Oh, it looks like the Mercedes emblem's broke. Oh, that's disappointing. You should bend it back, actually. Oh, it's fine. There we go. See? That's okay. So yeah, so this is a really cool model, and like I mentioned, in the next video I'll be doing a review of this S-Class, and showing you the catalog and the box, which will be cleaned up in the next video and be fixed up with the plastic. So I'll get it to where it can look as best as it can. And yeah, so I'm really glad I got this model, and so far, first impressions, I would recommend this model. But before I say anything guaranteed, I'll do the review on this and you'll see what I think about this model. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this Mercedes-Benz S-Class. And if you did, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the like button because it definitely helps out the videos, and put in the comments down below what you think about this model by Maisto. And if you do actually have one of these mini catalogs, I'd be kind of interested to know, because I really like these little catalogs. What do you think about the real S-Class in real life, this 1998 model? So yes, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.